Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another Degustabox unboxing. So let's just jump right into it because we have 12 items or products I want to share with you guys today. And with the Degustabox, you get 10 to 12 products every month in your box. So first off, I'm going to show you guys these leaflets real quickly because we're going to get into it at the end just to see what they are. But yeah, you normally get lots of leaflets with either recipes, coupons, just information that is needed. I really like it. So yeah, we're going to put those to the side and check out quickly what's in this month's April box. And it says UK versus International. Yes, so I'm kind of excited to see what's inside this box because UK versus International, what we're gonna get, let's see, let's find out because I have been just going through my Degustabox every month. Sometimes I forget to do an unboxing, so yeah, this month I'm not gonna eat anything before unboxing and I just want to be surprised. So we have some drinks, definitely something I really look forward to trying. It's not alcoholic, so that's good. And we have some little snacks, but let's jump right into the main stuff, which everybody wants to see, and get straight into it because yeah, these leaflets are really handy, but they can take up some time. They can take up time with video or explain what they are. It's very straightforward. It is recipe cards and coupon codes. So the first thing in the box this month is pancakes. New pancakes. I love anything new from the Degustabox, and they do so much new stuff in their boxes every month, which I love. And these pancakes look really good. I normally get brioches with this brand. So this pancake looks really good. Actually, it has, I think, 8 pancakes in here. Yeah, 8 pancakes. And I'm telling you guys, my kids and I love the brioche to these, so I'm really excited to try those. So next in the box is, I think, noodles, or yeah, people call them noodles, pot noodles. There are different types of names for them, but this is like a mushroom noodle. I don't know if they come in different flavors, but it says high in protein and a source of fiber, which is always good and healthy. And yeah, I really like trying out the noodles. There's so many different types of noodles in these boxes, and I'm always like intrigued to try out. If it's not my type of style or taste, I give it to somebody else in the family. But I'm really looking forward to try this one out because I want to eat more mushrooms. And the ones in the packaging I will leave till later so I could open them and show you guys. But let's jump into something else. We have here more vitamin drink. It's a vitamin drink. It says mango and passion fruit, sugar-free drink with only 5 calories per bottle. So yeah, if you're low in vitamin D or you need a boost in vitamin D like I do, I'm very low in vitamin D and calcium and a little bit of iron. Even though I do drink these stuff, I really need to up my intake, so this is a good idea. I actually love trying out new things, so this is something new to me. Multivitamin chewing gum. That's so interesting. So I'm definitely going to be trying this one out to see what it tastes like. It says you get 10 pieces in here. And yeah, I've never tried vitamin chewing gum, so let's see what it tastes like, what it does for me, how I feel. Next is this dark chocolate orange almond flavor kind bar. Oh my god, I've never tried this one before, but it looks super good. Look at that. Wow. I had to give you guys a close up. But chocolate orange and almond, wow, that sounds super nice. Probably like a Jaffa cake flavory kind of thing. But I'll let you guys know in the next video or so. Next, these ones I'm going to be taking out at the end, but I can see it says Kentucky Habanero, so it's definitely a hot sauce. So if you like hot sauces, keep watching and I'll show you guys at the end. Next, I have a Dorset cereal. Looks like a granola, but I love their cereals. They're kind of expensive, but they're really good, tasty, and very wholesome. Like, let's look at that. Just look at how chunky and good that looks. So I'm very happy to get another one of this. I've had many of them in my boxes before, and I'm really excited. to try out this one because I love cashews, hazelnuts, almonds, and oats, obviously. But yeah, I'm very, very happy to try this one out and see what it says. Next, I have a dark chocolate and milk aerial bar. It's a sharing bar, so it's kind of big, not too small, it's in between. But Aerials is actually nice, but I don't really like dark chocolate. And for the fact that it's got both, I really want to try it out to see how bitter it is. Hopefully not too bitter. Next, I see Japanese teriyaki jasmine rice, gluten-free. Wow, this sounds very, very intriguing too. I actually love jasmine rice and I love teriyaki. I love anything Japanese. So this would definitely go with my like katsu chicken or something really, really simple. Like, yes, this is definitely up my street. That's the one I got in my box. Let me know what you guys get in your box if you get the Degustabox as well. And this gonna drink, I got it in a ginger lemonade, which sounds super, 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 super tasty. So I'm very excited to try that one out as well because I love me some ginger and I love lemonade. So together, I'm sure it's gonna taste really, really well. Let me know as well what you guys got in your box because there's different types of gunner drinks and stuff that everybody's gonna be receiving in their box. And the one obnob that I got in my box is the sticky toffee pudding. And I think they have another one I'll be showing you guys in a second that you might receive in your box. So let me know if you got the sticky toffee one or the other one in your box this month. But I'm really excited because this is super, super good. I love hobnobs. I love biscuits in my house. We all like cookies and stuff like that. So sticky toffee is a great dessert. And I think this will definitely go well at night time with a cup of tea or something like that. But that's all that's in the box. Let me go ahead and open up the other stuff for you guys to see. So I got the Kentucky Habanero hot sauce. It looks super, super, super spicy. But I will definitely let you guys know it has whiskey in it. So boy, it's going to be going great with barbecues, summertime. This is definitely going to go in use. This is going to get used quite quickly. And lastly, I have the Very Lazy Chipotle paste. I've never seen this one before because I love Very Lazy stuff. I love the chilies. I love the garlic paste, onion, like not the onions, the ginger, the garlic, and the chilies. I love those three so much. So I'm really excited to try out this Chipotle one right here. And if you guys want to, see me cook anything or try any snacks from these boxes, please let me know and I'll definitely can include them in a video or two. But that's what I have so far, guys. What do you think? What did you get in your box? Did you enjoy this month's box? Would you like to see different types of things in the booster box, or are you actually pleased with what you get every month? They have so many different things. I feel like I'm really, really excited no matter what. And most of the times I haven't tried out any of these or seen them in store because we can't really go in stores. So I'm really, really happy that the Degustabox can bring this to our doors, even though we can't really go anywhere some of the times. But the streets are opening back up, the supermarkets are stocking up, and you can definitely get your hands on some of these things because it tells you on these cards as well where you can get any of these products that I've shown you guys. So you can either check out Amazon. I see that Amazon sell these chewing gums, the pot noodles will sell Ocado, the hobnobs, and other stuff like could be sold in the main big supermarkets. This drink here is £1.50, so it's not too bad. There's some things that's a bit affordable and some things that's a bit cheap. But this is the good thing about the Degustabox is that you get your box at a set price every month delivered to your door, and you get 10 to 12 products every month, and it's always going to be good. And I said, if you don't like it, you can always give somebody else in your family to try out, or maybe give a little birthday box to somebody that loves trying out different foods. You can definitely do different things with this box to get the use out of it, because wow, these pancakes, like, they're gonna get used. This Very Lazy sauce is gonna get used. Like, I really, 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 really emphasize for you guys to go ahead and try out the Degustabox. Even if it's just one time, you can definitely cancel at any time. And the leaflets, the coupons are very, very handy because it tells you stuff about each product. It gives you coupons where you can take in store and get money off your items that you like in the box, if you like them or not. And yeah, what can you not say about the box? I don't have any problems with April box. The only thing that I'll definitely want to try out to see if I like it is the vitamin drink. I don't know how I feel about it yet because I haven't tried it, but it looks good. This one as well looks really, really good. Yeah, this gonna drink, this lemonade looks really, really good. But I can see that it comes in 4 other flavors. So let me know which flavor you got, alright? Because I'm really intrigued. And as you can see, there's many different types of quick tilde rices these days. You can just pop them in the microwave super, super, super fast, and I love them. I already tried a few of them, and I really, really like how super, super easy you can use them, especially when you make a stir fry or a quick meal or a lunch, or just to give them to the kids. I definitely will be trying out the one that I received in my box this month. But if you guys want to get any more information, any more product information, or what's in previous boxes, definitely check out the Degustabox website. And yeah, stay tuned, keep